Finally, we're in the month of May. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Tonight I am filming some unboxings and I am down to my last one. Finally, we're in the month of May. I've been doing some catch up and I've been filming all night, literally. So this is the last box I'm gonna do tonight. It is my beauty edit from FabFitFun for the month of May. And yeah, you guys, let's just get right into it. First thing I see is this Quickie Queen eyeshadow stick in chocolate sprinkles from Too Faced. I hope this smells like chocolate. It does not smell like chocolate, but it's gorgeous. And it's so blendable. And when you blend it, it releases this glitter. Holy cow. That's a really phenomenal product. I can't wait to try that. Next is the Ultraviolet Sheer Sunscreen in SPF 50. This is a hydrating lip balm. Holy cow, do I need this. I have two SPF lip products, but they're both colored. And I'm going on the boat tomorrow and I want something sheer. I do not want to have like a hot pink lip while I'm on the boat. I'm going to put this aside and put this in my boat bag. Beautiful. Last time I went on the boat, I actually got like 2nd-degree burns on my bottom lip. It was so bad my lip blistered. So, perfect. It does have like a little bit of a peachy rose gold color, but I'm going to put that back here to pack in my boat bag for tomorrow, which is what I'm doing after I'm done filming. Then we have the Dr. Jart. This is the Cicapair Sleep Pair Intensive Soothing Repair Mask. Ooh. It doesn't really have a smell. If anything, it smells a little green, and it is green. Awesome. I'm gonna try that for sure. Lastly, in my beauty edit from FabFitFun is, what the heck is this? From the brand Messy, and this is an overnight hair repair serum. Ooh, beautiful bottle. Lovely. It doesn't have a smell. Awesome. I'm gonna try this tonight. Alright, you guys, that is what was in my beauty edit box from FabFitFun for the month of May. If you like these videos, leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.